Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to explore the create report option given in Power BI service recently. So now what we have done is, if you remember, in the last video we have already published a file. Now recently in Power BI service we have this option, this is create a new report option has been given. So there is a button here and there is a button here. So what we are going to do, we are going to check that out, that are we able to create a new report in Power BI service on the published data set. So we have published our data set recently. This is tutorial 11 underscore publish is our data set which we have published, and we will explore that can we create a new report out here. So we clicked on a new report and it says select the published data set. We click on this and we will scroll down and see, do we see tutorial somewhere, or we can search basically. That's not, so we don't see our dataset tutorial datasets. Let's cancel that, select a published dataset or paste data manually. Let's see. Let me do one thing. I have not refreshed it. So this could be one thing which we have to check it out. So that's why I am also doing the same way. You could have actually, after the publish, you could actually directly check it out. And I now see. So see, I have published it, I have used it, but I have not refreshed it. So list is not refreshed. So if you are not able to see that, please go ahead and refresh it, or maybe sign out, log out and log in, or maybe clear cache and try it out. So these could be various options which you have to see if you are not seeing the published data set. I have not done anything else other than refreshing this time around, but other options which you have is log out and log in and clear cache and try it out. Okay, again refresh is needed. So I have now my data set available. You have seen all these familiar stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a very simple report out here just to showcase you. So I'm going to go to my dimension, which is item dimension, and from there I'm going to take a category and I'm going to make it as a pie chart, and then I'm going to bring my sales measure. In my sales measure I'm going to drag it here and it will become a pie chart. Let me make it a bit bigger. Let's say on this page only I want this one only, and the font doesn't seem pretty big out here. So let me go ahead and see font. And so text size is 14, so I'm going to increase it. So this is the font size, but we actually need to increase the size of these legends and all those. So let me go ahead and increase the size. So legend size is increased, and then we are going to increase the size for these display size for these one also. So details labels, we have increased the size for detail labels. So now we are done. We can actually go ahead and create one more page, and in this page let me create a table out here. So let me go ahead, I'll bring it bit below, and then and I can actually close this one so that I can see it with having more space out here. And let's say again I go to my item table, and then from item table I'm going to drag category, brand, and let's say subcategory, and then I'm going to bring sales, which is my net sales M, and I can also bring discount percentage, and I can also bring, let's say, gross sales. Okay, all these are there, and now what I can do here is I can, let me save it. There's a save button at the end, and I can give it as a RAM name. And we can call it Power BI service PBIS1, and we can save it. Now, so when I save it for first time, it is going to give it me into the reading mode directly, but if I edit it now, it will remain, even if I save, it will remain in the edit mode. And now what I can do is I can actually view it in full screen, fit to page, fit to width. So let me see this in what you call full page view, and then there is a button when I look at the full screen, then I can select the page 1 and page 2. Okay, and then I can press escape button and come back to the normal mode. Again, I can go back to the edit and let me do a very small change and save it again. And if I save this time around, you see I'm not going back to the reading mode. So first time when you create a report and you save it, you will go to the reading mode, but not from the second time onward. And you have options like the, this text box, which I can put here, and I can give some name out here. Let me do some placement. Let me increase the font size to 42, and let's see, let me call it as test report. Okay, so these are options available. Then you have few more options available out here. You can explore all these things out. Let us know what else you want to see in this particular video. Do you want to cover us more features in Power BI service? Let us know what else you want to cover in this particular series. What are the things you think are required for a beginner tutorial? Do suggest in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.